In this video, you'll learn how to set up myosmart with the DynamicArm using either the coaxial plug or the electric wrist rotator, and how to configure the DynamicArm for myosmart in ElbowSoft. Start by setting the automatic forearm balance, AFB, to its minimum value. Next, unscrew the lamination ring that holds the easy plug and remove the easy plug from the ring. In the next step, we will wire the myosmart control unit to the easy plug. Begin by applying silicone grease to the 2-pin elbow adapter cable and connect it to the 2-pin cable of the control unit. Connect the 3-pin cable without the blue dot to contact number 1 of the easy plug. Plug the 3-pin cable with the blue dot into contact number 2. Now grease the second end of the elbow adapter cable and plug it into the contact marked with the switch symbol on the easy plug. Also apply silicone grease to all cable connections and the lamination ring. Then, press the easy plug into the lamination ring. Make sure you hear a clear click to confirm it is locked in place. Now remove the red clamp plate. Screw the DynamicArm into the lamination ring. Insert the black clamp plate and secure it with the screw. In this section, we will wire the coaxial plug. Position it so that the 2-pin contact is at the top. Apply silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the dot. Then plug it into the left contact. Next, take the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the right contact. Do not connect the 2-pin cable. Fasten the cables to the coaxial plug with the white plastic screw and secure the 2-pin cable in the socket using adhesive tape. Finally, use the lock ring 11S4 to secure the coaxial plug in the lamination ring. Continue with the setup in ElbowSoft. We'll now look at the wiring configuration for the electric wrist rotator. Apply silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the blue dot. And plug it into the right contact number 2 of the electric wrist rotator. Then, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the left contact number 2. Next, take the 2-pin power supply cable and connect it to the left contact number 3. Place the red contact protector on the free contact number 1 and screw the lock ring for strain relief onto the plugs. Place the protective cap on the circuit board. To finish, use the lock ring 11S4 to secure the electric wrist rotator in the lamination ring. Continue with the setup in ElbowSoft. To set up the DynamicArm for use with myosmart and ElbowSoft, follow these steps. In the Selection tab, set the DynamicArm to Program 5. LT, Step 1 to 3 are pre-selected in Program 5. Next, go to the Customizing tab and set the LT timer to 0.5 seconds. Deactivate all checkboxes in the Automatic section and set the DynamicArm speed to 100%. Under Feedback, deactivate options for elbow, rotation, and hand. Finally, save your configuration for future fittings. You can now select this configuration anytime in the Selection tab.